But first, a comment on that remark that scientists have become the bearers of the torch of discovery. That's very close to the view that we call scientism, the notion that science is the only way to truth. And that conviction really characterizes many of the new atheists, particularly Richard Dawkins and now apparently Stephen Hawking. Nobel laureate Sir Peter Medawar pointed out some time ago the danger of this scientistic view in a wonderful book called Advice to a Young Scientist. He said, there is no quicker way for a scientist to bring discredit upon himself and upon his profession than roundly to declare, particularly when no declaration of any kind is called for, that science knows or soon will know the answers to all questions worth asking, and that questions which do not admit a scientific answer are in some way non-questions or pseudo-questions that only simpletons ask and only the gullible profess to be able to answer. Medawar goes on to say this: the existence of a limit to science is made clear by its inability to answer childlike elementary questions having to do with first and last things, questions such as, how did everything begin? What are we all here for? What is the point of living? And he adds that it is to imaginative literature and religion that we must turn for the answers to such questions. Francis Collins is equally clear on the limitations of science. Science is powerless, he says, to answer questions such as why did the universe come into being? What is the meaning of human existence? What happens after we die? Now, it is clear that Medawar and Collins are passionate scientists, so that there is no obvious inconsistency involved in being a committed scientist in the highest level, while simultaneously recognizing that science cannot answer every kind of question, including some of the deepest questions that human beings can ask. So, Hawking appears to be unaware of this.